Alright, so I just got into a trade on gold. We have another live trading video. I'm going to target areas down here. Something else that I've been back testing, getting data on, and it's called position stacking. So at 1-to-1, I usually move my stop loss to break even, but instead I'm going to add another position because if the market is showing you that the trade is going in your direction, why not add to your winners? That's what keeps profitable traders profitable. So hopefully we're not in this trade for too long, but as you can see, gold has been seriously bullish. Like gold's been incredibly bullish. So I do feel like we'll just get a nice rundown. I did get an aggressive as well, so my stop loss is above the zone, which to be honest, break of the candle entry had less pip stop loss, but my strategy says to get an aggressive with these kind of entries. What's crazy is GU right here also has a supply set up, but this happened at about 7:55 or 7:50, and I wasn't on the market yet, so I was in my bed like looking at the chart, so I did see this, but man, I didn't take it. Same with this one right here. There was a setup right here about same time, 7:55 ish. This literally lost as well, but I didn't take it because it wasn't my session time. I will not take a setup before 8. So we'll see how this goes. At 1-to-1, I'm gonna move my first position stop loss to break even. Then I'll add another position, which means ultimately I'll still have original risk. It's not like I'm adding extra risk to the trade. That's why it works so well. Because you still have your original risk, but now you have double potential profit, if you understand what I'm trying to say, from a normal one position. I don't know if you can tell by my voice as well, but I am a bit ill too, so hopefully, you know, hopefully we just get this over and done with and I can go back to sleep. Alright, so up, we're really not up anything to be honest. Okay, so we're up about £140 at the moment. I think our 1-to-1 is about £200. So when we move our stop loss to 1-to-1, I'm gonna move stops to break even, and I'll get in on another position. We're rejecting a little bit, but I don't think price really has a reason to come up from this level, to be honest. I do feel like we're gonna push down a little bit more. That GU supply that I was talking about that happened just before I started trading is absolutely melting. That hit 1-to-2 on TradingView. So hopefully gold does the same. We're up about £162 at the moment. Alright, so we reached our 1-to-1 risk reward, so I added one position and I moved my stop to break even. So right now we've got 2 positions roaming with the same amount. We're up £250 in floating profit. So we'll see what happens. We could have a little bit of a pullback and then push down, or we could fully just push down, which I hope that's the case. Hope we just get like 2-3 candles now and they just shoot all the way down. That's always what we like to see. We're coming back up at the moment though. Alright, we're about £170 at the moment. TikTok, this gets you through trading. This is the funniest. TikTok is the funniest app right now, I can't even lie. Alright, well, almost about £300. We're still gonna hold. I want to hold to the past these areas. This is our 1-to-2. I want to hold to somewhere down here. More than likely, I'm gonna hold to somewhere down there. Alright, so price looks like it's gonna come back up now from this point. We do have our stop loss at our 1-to-1 areas, so our stop loss is closer than original, so we could get triggered out here. But I'm gonna hold either way. It's either gonna hit stop loss or we're gonna go to our take profit areas. I'm not too fussed about it. It would be nice if We started shooting down though, but the market's gonna do what the market's gonna do. Back to about £160 in profit. We're down on our first position, but we're still up on our second position. So we'll see. We'll see what the market does. The GU trade though is literally coming back up. It hit targets and then it's shooting straight back up. That was a good trade though. That was a very good trade. If that happened like literally like 10 minutes later, it didn't form so early, or it didn't touch the zone so early, I would have taken it. If that touched a little bit later, I would have taken it. But instead, gold decided to form. If this wins, this could be a quick day. Like literally, this could be a very quick day in the market. Hopefully we can get some momentum down, because the candles are really not doing too much. If we can break these levels, or well, when we break these, yeah, we're definitely going to break these levels. We're up about £300 at the moment. I think, yeah, this is the furthest down we've been so far. Come on, we can push this. We can push down. We're still rejecting. We're rejecting these lows that we rejected before. I feel like we can break these lows. I'm very confident that price is going to go down there, to be completely honest. We're actually getting a push down now. We're £360 at the moment, 370. We're still not super close to our targets. I think I want to try hold for like £200 more, at least, like £200 more minimum. Okay, you're up £400 now. We're getting closer to our target, so hopefully in the next few candles get nice. This candle, I like the way this candle's pushing down. This could be the candle that hits take profit. I'm gonna try hold for like £100 more. I think that's where our targets. I'm literally gonna close like when we get down here, because that's my targets on TradingView. Just literally right down there. So we're getting super close. I've got my magic keys open to close my trade, because I just close all positions at the same time. Getting really, really close. Yeah, this candle's gonna be the one. This candle's gonna be the one. Alright. Yeah. I'm out. That hits targets. What's that? £570 or something like that? Damn. What luck, man. I literally sent this trade out to the Discord group, and the link's in the description. I sent it out before I even got into the trade, so if you join the Discord, it's literally free. You can get into the same trades as me. I'm posting my wins and losses, and I'm also going to be breaking down that trade full analysis, to show you why I got into that trade and things like that. My Instagram's also on the screen, so make sure to follow me over there.